driving while intoxicated, the second offense. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you,
Yes, sir.
counselor?
I thank you, Your Honor. First off, we challenge probable cause for this arrest. It says driving while intoxicated. Second, but the P3 says a CCH found Hannock had no previous DWI convictions.
I think it's supposed to say one previous. I think they just misspelled it either way. It says NE.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Hannock, how long have you lived here?
All my life.
Okay, are you injured right now?
Yes.
Are you looking for work?
As soon as I can, yeah.
Okay. Do you live with family?
I live with my grandmother.
Are you asking the judge for a personal bond?
Yes.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you. We'll set his bond at $3,500. Conditions are D, E, and K while you're out on bond. Cannot consume any alcohol. Within 30 days of release on bond, you must install an ignition interlock device in your vehicle, and you cannot operate any vehicle without an ignition interlock device. And you cannot violate any other statutes against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Fulks, you were arrested on a charge of escape while arrested or confined. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
I need one appointed to me.
Appointed, okay. At this time, there's no bond set. You're going to be taken back before Judge Pirtle, that sentenced you the other day, and he'll set your bond on this. Thank you. Mr. Ocanas, you were arrested on 3 warrants. 1 for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, 1 for continuous violence against the family, and 1 for assault of a pregnant person. Can you afford to hire an attorney for these charges?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you?
Yes, please.
Okay, counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Kennis, how long have you lived in Amarillo?
Since 85.
Okay, if you'll speak up, there's a microphone.
Since 1985.
40 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay, did you get your GED?
Yes, sir.
Are you gainfully employed at the moment?
Yes, sir.
And do you live with family?
Yeah, I live with my son.
Nothing further, Your Honor. We'd ask for a more reasonable bond than the DA has requested.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna set his bond on the aggravated assault at $15,000. On the against family at $20,000, and the assault of a pregnant person at $20,000. Conditions are F, G, H, K, and O. So while you're out on bond, there's been a magistrate's order for protection issued between now and September the 12th, 2025. You can have no contact with Mr. Scott. You were arrested on a charge of probate or bond surrender. Failed to comply with sex offender duty to register, lifetime or annual. Can you afford an attorney, or do you already have an attorney? What's your status?
We applied for one on his behalf, Your Honor, one that is learning sign language.
Okay. Counselor, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Scott is unemployed. He's on food stamps and he has 5 children. We'd ask for a lower bond than the DA was asking for. Thank you.
I'm gonna set his bond at $5,000. Conditions are K and O. While he's out on bond, cannot commit any other violations against the state of Texas, any other state of the United States, and abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol without the consent of a physician. And you're letting him know on the computer, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor. If I could just
Okay.
have a minute, that I'll.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll give you time to do that. That's
Thank you
fine.
very much. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Chad Allen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Allen, you were arrested on a warrant for probation violation, driving while intoxicated, third offense or more. Can you afford an attorney?
I already have an attorney, sir, Daryl Carey.
Okay, is he
Court
appointed
appointed.
or he is
Court-
appointed on this charge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. I didn't get a chance to interview Mr. Allen. Mr. Allen, how long have you lived in Amarillo?
Pretty much all my life.
Are you living? Okay. Did you go to high school here?
Yes, sir. Tascosa.
Which Tesco's? Okay, so good. Are you employed at the moment?
Not at the moment.
Are you looking for work?
Yes.
No. Wait,
I
that's sorry.
I was trying to apply to WT before this, but I wanted to wait and get the warrant cleared before,
Sure,
because they did the background check, stuff like that, so.
sure. Nothing further, Your Honor. We said that for a non-violent offense and just a probation violation, the district attorney's recommendation is exorbitant. We'd ask for a much lower bond. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna set his bond at 7,500. Conditions are K, O, D, and E. While you're out on bond, you must, within 30 days, you must install an ignition interlock device on your vehicle, and you can't operate any vehicle without one. You cannot consume alcohol, cannot violate any other statutes against the state of Texas, any other state or the United States, and you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol without the consent of a physician. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You can do about 750.
750.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Crosby, you were arrested on a bench warrant for probation violation for fraudulent use of possession ID information items greater than 5. Can you afford an attorney for this, or
No, sir.
you want one appointed to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This time they're setting no bond on you. They're going to take you before the judge that issued the warrant. Okay?
Okay.
And he'll set your bond on it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Garza, you were arrested on a bench warrant for possession of a controlled substance, a program 1B, drug less than 1 gram. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
Yes.
You can afford your own attorney? You don't need court appointed?
Oh, no, sir. No, I need a court appointed, please, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry, Mr.
This time they're saying no bond on this. You'll be taken before the judge that issued the bench warrant. Okay, and then he'll set the bond on this at that time.
Understood.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Is that everybody?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, John.